I have work to do. I have new air cleaner, valve cover gaskets, plug wires, already changed the plugs, distributor cap, oil change, and transmission fluid change if I get to that. Now I'm back to working on the 280Z. The past few weeks I've been working on the little Nissan hardbody. I want to circle back around to the maintenance. I want to give it an oil change, change the air filter. I know I already did the spark plugs. Need to come back and do the wires and distributor cap. I already did the brake pads, bled the brakes, changed the master cylinder, and I already changed the fuel filters. I'll also check the transmission fluid and the coolant and make a daily drive out of this car. It's time to start doing some maintenance to this car. I'm going to change this little 10-inch air breather, air filter, with this 14-inch. No tools required. Loosen the wing nut, take the old one off, put the new one on, fasten it with the wing nut, which is provided in the box. There's the nicest thing under the hood now. I wasn't going with the mindset that bigger is better. The old one was dirty and this is what was available. I already changed the spark plugs a few weeks ago, so I can skip over that. Now I'm gonna get under there and give it an oil change and remove this cable. I believe it's attached to the transmission. It was for the tachometer or the speedometer. I think the speed. The oil doesn't look bad, but I don't know what type is in there. Whip the ramps out. Filter was not coming off. I ended up having to use a wrench like this with a breaker bar just to barely untighten it. And it's time to put the fresh oil in. Look how beat up that old filter is. But I won. Alright, oil's added. The transmission fluid looks good, so I'm not going to worry about changing that. Alright, coolant looks good. I don't have to worry about flushing that out. First start after the fresh blood transfusion. Changing the valve cover gaskets. Remove this old cork. The surface looks good. the new one on. Alright, now to get it back on the engine. Plug wires off one by one and match them to the correct length for the ones that come out the box. I know they're a little bit of a mess right now, but I'll organize them after. This plate is gonna go not only to make my distributor cap change easier, but I have other plans. Now started on the distributor cap and rotor. I have all the plugs labeled by number order. I could take the distributor cap off and put the new one on, and put the plugs back on the same way I took them off the old one. I took this plate off too while I had the chance. I planned on using it, but if I need it, I'll put it back on. That red's a little cute too. I need this on here. Something like that. Finished with that change. I managed to take care of everything I wanted to. Another step closer to being a better car.